You can definitely get a charge off removed from your credit reports. You're seeing on your account that they're reporting every month now, but as soon as you get that charge off removed, they're not going to be reporting that anymore. The credit bureaus are going to let them know that you can't report this account anymore. So it should not come back on unless the account, like say if you disputed it, it was something that's inaccurate, unless they fix that or change it or they provide proof, that account should not come back on. But you can definitely get it removed. I have a dispute letter down below with the 60 points in 60 days. Definitely check that out. You see the link in the comments. Go ahead and check that out, and you guys can get a free dispute letter that you can send to the credit bureaus. Also, acquire dispute letter, one for collection company. You can send that dispute letter to the credit bureaus, and you can list that charge off on there. Just find errors on there, and then once you fill that out, send it to the credit bureaus, and that's the first process of working to get it removed. Now, it's not just sometimes that easy to remove charge offs. You need to find out exactly what's wrong with it. Is it reporting? Is the last date activity wrong? Is the balance wrong? Is the payment history incorrect? Find all these different errors, and once you find all these different errors, then that's when you can list that on your dispute letters. You can also make another dispute letter directly to the creditor. I have these letters already in the membership that you guys can use, but you can make another dispute letter to the creditor and say, hey, these are the errors and you need to remove it because of this. And if they don't want to remove it, they say, hey, everything is wrong, then you can go double back, see what's actually wrong, see if it's still wrong, and then file complaints with like the Better Business Bureau, CFPB, and then possibly do a lawsuit too. But definitely look into this. I'm not a lawyer, I'm not an attorney, I cannot give you legal advice, but this is something I personally did. So those are really your options, but it should not just come back on. A lot of times you get those collection accounts removed, they don't just come back on. What you do see come back is those collections, because what they'll do is usually when you get a collection removed from your credit report, they'll sell it to another collection company. So a lot of times you get a collection removed, and say if you're not outside of the statute of limitations, the amount of time they have to sue you, then you may want to go ahead and settle with them and try to see, hey, can I pay 25% of what I owe? Can I pay 50% of what I owe? Because all they're going to do is sell into a new company, add it to your credit reports, and you don't want that to happen.